what's going on, everybody? Hey, welcome back to the Trade More YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to skyrocket your swing trading using the TTM squeeze. So, if you want to learn how to trade options and you trade the TTM squeeze and you have 1 hour a day to do so, then this video is going to be perfect for you. But before we dive into it, guys, do me a favor. Smash that subscribe button, all right? Because I literally go live on this channel every single day talking about the markets. Let's get into the video. Now, first of all, before I jump into Facebook, I have this pulled up. This is GLD, and I talked about this yesterday in the Forex class. This is what we're looking for. Do you see this beautiful clean chart? Beautiful. 8 above the 21, above the pink. I mean, this is stacked beautiful. So trend, check. Pattern, oh yes, baby. Consolidation under a high and above a low. Anything that's happening in the middle, that's a price pattern. And the gurus will give you a fancy name to try to sell you something. They'll tell you it's an ascending triangle. It's a symmetrical triangle. It's the koala bear. You know, it's the alligator pattern. Buy it. The alligator pattern is guaranteed to make you a lot of money. All it is consolidation. So I'm going to let you in on a little secret. A price pattern is nothing more than support and resistance. Is this making sense? That's it. You draw support, you draw resistance. If it does like this, you're connecting what? Highs and lows. That's a price pattern. Oh, that's a symmetrical triangle. I know a lot. It's just consolidation. The faster your brain tells yourself that trend, consolidation, squeeze. What is consolidation? It's a failed bull flag. Up, pull back into a flag. It bounces. Oh, it fails. But it stays above that and it just does this. Consolidation is a failed bull flag. Okay? Perfect example. Up, pull back right into the 21, which is, a beautiful. Just like this one, 34. But look, it went up, didn't make a high, pull back over. Okay? Here, it went up to a high, pull back to the 34. That's a deep pullback. Didn't break the high, dropped. Failed bull flag is what starts the consolidation. Failed bull flag starts the consolidation. Look, this went up, pulled back, broke to a new high. That's a bull flag that did not fail. But look at this. This is it, guys. The only thing that I don't like about this is it's only a 3-dot low compression squeeze. I like to see 5. That's for my squeeze plays. I trade bull flags, I trade breakouts, and I trade squeezes. So bull flags, breakout, squeeze. Those are the 3 strategies that I trade. And I love to squeeze the most. I will be straight up honest with you. Okay, and I guess I explained it pretty good. But this is the granddaddy right here, except 2 more dots. So what I would like to see is it drop down a little bit, give us 2 more dots, 2 more dots. This is the perfect. This is gold, right? Gold. Facebook. Facebook is on an absolute tear. All right, guys. Hey, I think this will be a great time in the video to ask you, hey, if you are finding value in this video in any way, do me a favor, guys. Smash that like button, all right? It really means a lot to me. It shows YouTube that this video is being helpful to you, and therefore it can push it out and find more people like you so it can be helpful to them. I really appreciate it. Hey, thank you very much. Let's get back into the video. Facebook is on a tear. Now, what do we see? First thing that we notice is it's a strong, beautiful trend. And we're going to look at what we're making right now, okay? So, the first thing that I look at, you guys know, is if it's in an uptrend, I really want to see this beautiful stack. Boom. I want to see if the stock is above the 8, okay? So if you're trading with us, this is what we're looking for, okay? The beautiful picture. And if it's above the 8, somebody in the chat, please, and if you don't know, please put a question mark. Somebody in the chat, when a stock is above the 8, what is our game plan? If I am going to trade Facebook, it's above the 8. What is our game plan? And yes, we're going to look at the profits here in a second, but I want to get some engagement. Because again, it's about implementation. It's not about me just talking. So what is our game plan if it's above the 8? Type into the chat. Because again, information alone is not going to help you make money. Rafa, thanks for putting your answer. AJ, Jason, I know we have several people that watch the recording. Type in something. What do you think? I need to make sure you get this. This is not about information. It's about you making money. So you got to be engaged. You got to be active. That's the only way. When the stock is above the 8, what is my game plan? Yeah, I'm bullish. Thanks. All right. Okay. I'm bullish. Absolutely. Trade bullishly? Yes. My game, and write this down for your notes. When it's above the 8 on the daily time frame, the majority of the time you will not have a squeeze on the daily chart. So if I'm going to trade Facebook, I need to drop it down into a smaller time frame. That's it. Look at this beauty. Look, this is the 78-minute chart. You tell me this is not a thing of beauty. Take a picture of this chart. This is a beauty. This is what you need to be trading. And if it's above the 8, this is how it looks the majority of the time. Now, what we're waiting for is that consolidation into the squeeze, and then we enter in the buy zone. So whenever it's above the 8, I'm looking for squeezes. Okay, I know tomorrow if it pulls back a little bit, I know that there is more than likely a squeeze developing in a smaller time frame. That's just the way it is. So game plan. Go to a shorter time frame on the trade if it's above the 8. End of story. No squeeze on the daily. Then we go find a squeeze on a smaller time frame. And this is the 78-minute chart. 39-minute. Look at this. Oh my God. I mean, come on. I did not have this planned. I am only talking about this because, Rafa, you brought it up, which I'm so glad you did. Look. Look. Did I say look? Beautiful picture. Thing of beauty. Trend. Pull back. Consolidation. Squeeze. Look at this. Momentum shifted on the TTM. It even shifted before the candle colors. That, my friends, was a time where I would... And look what happened. Boop, 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 boop. Easily get 40, 50, 60, 70% return. Is that good for y'all? Are you okay with a 60 to 70% return? Don't you think this is important? Because this pattern happens all the freaking time. I'm drilling this point in. I focus on smaller time frames when on the daily it's an animal. It's a racehorse. And then I apply the rules that I teach the same as on the daily. Game plan, shorter time frame if it's above the 8. You will see this beautiful thing all the time. You need, and again, today, your assignment, take a trade. Take a trade. If you've been holding back, take a trade. You will not learn unless you take a trade. I'm going to use Rafa as a good example. Rafa watched and watched and watched forever in the Forex. And then he finally implemented, he took a trade, And you type in the chat. I know it'll be a long one. But you type in the chat. Now, what has that done for your confidence? Because you started implementing what we teach. Cannot stress to you enough. And I don't care who you learn from. Not you guys in the university, but in the Facebook world. I don't care who you learn from. That you can get information everywhere. If that person's going to help you become accountable and teach you in a way that's going to cause you to have action, go for it. But me, if you elect to have me teach you, then I'm going to be straight up with you. Straight up with you. We got to implement it. We got to start utilizing it. Okay. And if you have questions on the TTM Squeeze Pro, please put them in the chat. Now's our time. Now is our time. Now is the time to break our old habits. Habits are really hard to change. I can leave this show right now and go enjoy the rest of the afternoon. It's not a problem for me. Okay. I'm already successful with this trading business. This is already working. But this is not about me. This is about you. If you stop watching right now, you might think you learned a lot of cool stuff, and you did. But my guess is that by the morning, okay, you're going to already slip back into your normal routines, right? You just do what you've always done. That's what most people do. But because I'm your friend, I'm not going to let you go back to your old habits. I'm going to make sure you're successful by breaking them. And you have to stop making excuses. Now, I've been in this trading business a long time, and I've found there are only two kinds of people in this game. Those who are good at making money trading, and those who are good at making excuses. You can't be both. If you're the one making excuses, I hate to say it, but I think you're going to have a really hard time in this business. The good news is that you don't have to choose. In this moment, you can choose which type of person you're going to be. Don't be someone who makes excuses. Be someone who actually makes money trading. And because I'm your friend, I'm not going to let you make excuses. I'm going to make sure you're successful in this trading business. If you want real, lasting change, you need repeated exposure to this methodology. All right, everybody. Hey, I hope you found value in today's video. And if you implement what I talked about in this video today, you're going to skyrocket your trading using the TTM Squeeze. All right, and if you're interested in any of the indicators and software that we use and recommend, hey, check down below in the description. And of course, always remember this, guys. If you end up getting the TTM Squeeze through my affiliate link, I'm going to hook you up with all sorts of bonuses. And also right now, my Options Elite class. As a bonus, anybody who gets that class this month, I'm going to give them my TTM Squeeze bonus course and my Forecast Pro for free, okay? This month. So check down below in the description. All right, everybody, smash the subscribe button, the like button on the way out, and we'll see you in the next video.